Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make local wine at home. First, gather all your essential winemaking equipment, including primary fermenters, carboys, airlocks, and sanitizing solutions. Next, select the freshest, ripest local fruit available, as its quality directly impacts your wine's flavor. Finally, ensure all your equipment is thoroughly sanitized to prevent any unwanted bacteria from spoiling your batch. Once your fruit juice is prepared, it's time to introduce the yeast and any necessary nutrients. This kickstarts the fermentation process. It's crucial to maintain a consistent temperature, ideally between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit, to ensure healthy yeast activity. Regularly check the specific gravity to track how fermentation is progressing and when it's nearing completion. After primary fermentation, you'll need to rack your wine, carefully siphoning it off the sediment into a clean carboy. This process helps clarify the wine and remove spent yeast. Now, the aging begins. Store your wine in a cool, dark place for several months, allowing flavors to develop. Remember to taste it periodically to decide when it has reached its peak. The final step is bottling your homemade wine. Ensure all your bottles and siphoning equipment are perfectly sanitized to prevent spoilage. Carefully fill each bottle, leaving approximately 1 inch of headspace to allow for expansion and proper corking. Store your bottled wine on its side in a cool, dark place, and it will be ready to enjoy for months or even years to come.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.